How do you configure a router firewall? Imagine your network as a busy city with roads leading to different neighborhoods. Now, think of the router firewall as the city's security gatekeeper, deciding who can enter or leave. Setting up this gatekeeper properly is key to keeping your network safe and running smoothly. First, you need to divide your network into zones. These zones include your trusted internal network, a semi-trusted zone like a demilitarized zone, and the untrusted outside world. Each zone connects to the router through specific interfaces or subinterfaces, which act like different gates. Next, you create rules called access control lists. These rules specify what traffic is allowed or denied based on IP addresses, protocols like Transmission Control Protocol or User Datagram Protocol, and port numbers such as port 84 web traffic or port 443 for secure browsing. You write these rules to permit necessary traffic and block everything else by default, often ending with a catch-all deny rule. Then, you apply these rules to the router interfaces, deciding whether they govern incoming or outgoing traffic. For example, you might allow your internal network to access the internet but block unsolicited inbound traffic from the internet trying to reach your internal devices. Most routers also use network address translation to hide your private IP addresses and share a single public IP address with the internet. Configuring NAT properly is essential for the firewall to work correctly. If remote workers need to access your network securely, setting up a virtual private network on the router creates an encrypted tunnel, protecting data as it travels across the internet. Securing access to the router's management interface is also vital. Disable insecure protocols like Telnet and HTTP, and instead use Secure Shell and HTTPS. This prevents unauthorized people from changing your settings. After everything is set up, test your firewall by trying to access allowed services and ensuring blocked ones are inaccessible. Regularly check the router logs for suspicious activity or misconfigurations. Keep your rules updated as your network changes. In physical network infrastructure, routers are the main points where routing and security meet. Properly configuring your router firewall helps control bandwidth, reduce latency, and protect critical systems like domain name system, servers, and IP address schemes from attacks. It also secures connections that cross fiber optic links and undersea cables by filtering traffic at the network edges. So, setting up a router firewall involves defining network zones, creating precise access rules, applying those rules to router interfaces, enabling necessary services like network address translation and virtual private networks, securing management access, and continuously testing and updating your setup. This process keeps your network safe, efficient, and ready to handle the complex demands of the internet.